Hello, let us solve this question. Here I will explain summary of this question in simpler language. Now in order to make our work easy, I will name these by numbers. So this is place 1, this is place 2 and this is place 3. And let us assume distance between place 1 and 2 is A, distance between place 1 and 3 is B, and distance between place 2 and 3 is C. Now I will explain the question in simpler language. So first thing they say is that if you want to go from location 2 to location 1, then there are two ways to go it. One, you can go 2 to 3 and then 3 to 1. This is how you can go. And another choice you have is you can directly go like this. Now question says if you go with the longer way, this is longer way, 2 to 3 and then 3 to 1. So this is longer way. If you go with the longer way, then you have to travel 1 kilometer more than the shorter way. That means if you go with B plus C way from 2 to 1, that is 1 kilometer longer than this. It means value of B plus C and value of A, if you take that difference, you will get 1, isn't it? Because this is 1 kilometer longer than this. So first thing I wrote is B plus C minus A is equals to 1. Now let us go on second information. If you want to go from location 2 to location 3, then again you have two choices. What you can do, you can go location 2 to location 1 and from location 1 to location 3. This is longer way. And another choice you have is you can directly reach from 2 to 3 this way. So here it says if you go with the longer route is A plus B. Longer route is from here to here is A and here to here is B. So if you go with the longer route A plus B, that is 5 kilometer more than shorter route. It means difference between longer route and shorter route is 5. Now if you want to go from location 1 to location 3, then again you have two choices. You can go with this longer route 1 to 2 and then 2 to 3. This is longer route. And you can also directly go from 1 to 3 like this. This is faster route. This is slower route. Now this is longer route 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 1 to directly 3 is shorter route. So if you go with the longer route, you have to travel 7 kilometer longer. It means A plus C, the longer route, is 7 more than B. So difference is 7. Based on these three information, we need to solve this problem. Now you must know that when you have equations like this, you can add them whatever the way you want. You can subtract them whatever the way you want, but you must get your answer. So here I am adding first two equations. So what happens if I add first two equations? Now you might be thinking how I came to know whether I need to add or subtract. That I will explain shortly. B plus C minus A plus B minus C is equals to 1 plus 5. I added these all and I added these two. So here positive C, negative C cancelled. Negative A, positive A cancelled. So 2B is equals to 6. That means B is equals to 3. Now answer to your query, how I came to know. So when I observed these two equations, I came to know that it is possible to cancel these and this and this and this. So for that I need to add. If I can cancel certain things by subtracting, then I need to subtract. There is no rule for that. You need to observe your equation and decide your strategy. So now we got one important information that B is 3. Same way let's observe these two equations. So here is there anything that we can cancel? So if you add these two equations, you can cancel positive B, positive C, negative C. So that means 2A is equals to, you will get 12. 5 plus 7, 12. So A is equals to 6. So I got A 6, B 3, and now I can plug these values in any equation, any of 3. That will tell me value of C. So let's work on first one. B is 3, C I don't know, A is 6 is equal to 1. Now let's work with the like terms, numbers. So what is minus 6 plus 3? So that is minus 3 plus C is equals to 1. So I will add 3, I will add 3. C is equals to 4. So now question says how long is the shortest of the three direct paths. So shortest is B and B is uphill to this one. They are asking what is the length of the shortest path. So that is 3 kilometer, choice C. I try to explain in as easy language as possible. I hope you find it useful.